Shalawam family. This is me melting my oils, getting ready to make some more soap. I have in here coconut oil, which is the white, it's organic, and then I have a palm oil that's the yellow. And I was debating if I was going to put some beeswax in it. I'm not exactly sure. I also wanted to show you these. You can see, okay, I'm opening. These are my soapy cupcakes, and sorry, excuse the mess. The heat is not on, just the light. They are put to bed, and they smell heavenly. I wish there was like a smellometer on here, but these are scented with Japanese melon, and yeah, they're ready to sell. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to sell them, if they're going to be individually or in a pack with a bath bomb or something, but anyway, yeah. I have this a little too big, so I'm gonna lower that down. So, yeah, I had to take out my pots and pans from inside. So, these are my butters here. So I'm gonna go ahead and melt those down. I gotta stir them down. So I just thought I'd share that with you, and then I will keep on posting more so you guys can see how I make my soap. Okay, I'll talk to you later.